right, so here, come take a look. Come take a look real close. So this is multiple fractures, right? So here is, look at, like, his hands are ginormous, right? Que grande su mano, right? So because his hands are so big, his one bone is like the length of my 3 bones. But he broke, so if you take a look, he broke, this is P1, so proximal phalanx. Look how long his middle phalanx, and then distal phalanx, right? But he broke over, probably over here and over here, right? Tiene fractura con los dos huesos, right? Aquí y aquí. And then because of the location, you can take a look at the scar and you can see that he cut the extensor tendon, right? And it's here, so cut the extensor tendon here, and you can look at this scar and you can see that that the way that this bone broke, he needed to have plates and screws, right? Then plato y tornillos en ese, right? And aquí los pins solamente. Sí, and ese también. But this one is the least amount, right? So all of them. And you can see, so open, right? You can see that this one, relájase. So come from the side, and you can see this one has a lag. So voy para arriba, right? Hold on, relax. Solamente este, para arriba. You see? Relax. So I can make it straight. Aguanta en esta posición. Oh, you see it fell? That means that the tendon is adhered right here, and when you go to make it straight, the tendon is stuck and it doesn't pull back, right? Relax, and then you see his scar, his skin has to move. Like, look at this one. The scar comes all the way in here and all the way in here. So it makes a difference. Let's see. Para arriba. So this one has a lag, but this one is the worst, right? And then this one doesn't have a lag. It has a lag here, but this one also doesn't bend very well. So someone like this, if you're trying to get more passive range of motion, right? A lot of times I'll wrap my fingers around because I want to use my finger to block. See how long this bone is, right? So I'm gonna block it, and then I want to pull this one down. But you can see, like, because of the scar, it's pulling this way. So we want to pull this way and pull down. Es más cómodo cuando yo hago así. Duele. Así cuando yo torsar aquí es menos.
Sí.
Okay. So just pulling it this way, so towards the scar, and then pulling down, he has less pain. I mean, it's still pain, but it's less. So someone like this, you'd have to really make sure to get the DIP motion or get really good PIP motion. You really have to block that. You have to block this metacarpal so that you could really push and get really good passive range of motion. Oof, so tight. But you have to work an extension too. So I like to work an extension like this all the way. So it's composite extension. See how my thumb goes underneath here and pulls and gets composite extension. Oh, look at the scars here. Look at the scars. It's like a crush injury, right? What happened? ¿Qué pasó? Un accidente? Un cosa? Like,
Una máquina molió, aplastó los dedos.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hey therapy friends, it's Huang here. Thanks again for watching my video. And if you like videos like this that can help you just crush it in the hand therapy world as an occupational therapist, then hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Thanks again for watching.